ELF stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Elf Beauty stock is buy now for me, so watch till right around the end. Ultimately with Elf, I'm looking to double down. I mean, I don't know about you, mate, but the way that I'm looking at these things is just very simple. Like, I do have previous receipts here as well. And unironically, this is actually doing its thing. This is cool. This is very good. Since last time I made a video, it's like, I think May here, was it? Right, this has been definitely doing its thing. 113 at a time 3 days ago, 114, pretty much at the same exact place, but it is what it is, you know. My idea is that I want to take it even put it up from here. So I'm patient, waiting. If you want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month trading, then just click the first link in the description and get my free emails and insights, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.